Hello? Oh, hi, Amos. How's everything going in Mozambique? Oh, that's awesome. How about that problem you had with your business partner? Did you get that resolved? Oh, sorry to hear that. I guess you'll just have to duke it out with him, eh? Just duke it out, you know. Amos, see some people spying on me. I better run. Hey guys, I didn't see you spying on me there. I was just talking to my friend Amos in Mozambique, and he was telling me, actually the last time we talked, he was telling me he was having problems with his business partner. They had kind of like a disagreement. It was a pretty serious dispute actually, and so now it's still not fixed. It hasn't been resolved. The issue hasn't been resolved. That means to fix an issue. If you fix it, then it's resolved. If it has not been resolved, then it's there's still problems, right? So there's problems there with his business partner. So I told him, you know, I guess you'll just have to duke it out. Duke it out. Do you know what that means? Someone's coming running beside me. I'll stay in this lane. Right here in Canada, we walk in the right lane. So if someone wants to pass you, they change lanes and they pass on the left. That's the way you should do it, right? So I'm following our traffic rules here. All right, see, he followed the traffic rules really well. He passed me on the left, and then he pulled over into the right, and he's in the right-hand lane, right? If I want to pass him, I would pull up behind him and pull into the left lane, pass him, and then move back into the right lane, right? So anyway, I was telling my friend Amos in Mozambique that he may as well just duke it out. Do you know what that means? To duke it out. It's actually a great phrase. It's a phrasal verb. If you duke it out. It's a verb, a phrasal verb. Now remember, phrasal verbs kind of have usually 2 or 3 different parts. So duke it out. To duke something out means to fight. Okay, to fight about it. You know, sometimes you just have to fight, right? So duke it out. Now this could mean, it could mean a physical fight, like if you're punching someone with your fists, right? Oh, did I just, no, it's still going. I thought my camera stopped recording. It's still going. We're a couple minutes into this already. It doesn't stop on me. I thought you guys quit on me. I thought you quit watching. You didn't quit watching. Thank you guys so much for watching my videos. I really appreciate it. So to duke it out could mean a physical fight, right? Where you're using your fists. This is called your fist, right? If you're punching someone with your fists, that's not nice. Don't punch anybody with your fists. But you could say, oh, look at those two guys duking it out. That means they're fighting. They're fighting. But duke it out can also mean to fight in a non-physical way. So when I was talking to Amos, I wasn't telling him to go punch his business partner. What I was telling him to do is he's just going to have to fight. Maybe they'll have to get into an argument or maybe a legal battle, right? If one company is angry with another company, very often they take that company to court or they sue them, right? You did something bad to me and my company, so we're gonna sue you, right? We're gonna duke it out, right? So that's what you could use it in that way, right? You know, so any kind of a conflict, you can use the term duke it out to describe either a physical conflict or a non-physical conflict. Like for example, let's say you start a shop here in Canada. Let's say you buy a piece of land. Look at that beautiful snow, guys. Isn't that amazing? Let's say you buy a piece of land and you set up a shop. Let's say you set up a shoe shop, right? You make nice shoes and you sell your shoes. Let's say someone else comes and sets up a shoe shop right beside your shop and is competing with you. you have to fight in a non-physical way, right? You have to compete. It's gonna be a struggle, because who's like, if a customer let's say a customer's walking down this path here, right? Just like myself, I'm walking down this path on a beautiful winter morning. It's actually afternoon, I think. It's about lunchtime. All right, so I'm walking down the path. Let's say I want to buy a new pair of shoes. If there's only one shop there, well, I only have one choice. I'll just go and buy some shoes. But if there are two shops there, those two shopkeepers are going to have to compete for my business, right? So they'll have to duke it out, right? So you could say, yeah, I set up this shoe shop, and now there's another shoe shop beside me. So I guess we're just gonna have to duke it out. It means you're gonna have to fight over the business, because before you were the only one here. You had kind of control over the whole area, but now there's another player in the game. Another player in the game means some other person or business that's offering the same things as you, and they're competing with you. So you're gonna need to play this game, right? You're gonna need to win, right? It's called competition. So you're gonna have to have some form of, it doesn't need to be ugly, I guess. It doesn't, usually this word duke it out means to fight, but you can use it in maybe a more friendly way, like, yeah, we're gonna have to duke it out to see who's gonna win. Or let's say you're having an argument with your friend, and you want to solve it in kind of a friendly way. You could say, hey, let's arm wrestle over it, right? Let's duke it out. Let's duke it out over an arm wrestle. All right, so then you both get together and you have an arm wrestle, and you duke it out that way, right? Or maybe you play some game or have some competition or something where, look at that beautiful snow, guys. This is a snow break. I need some music to mark the snow break, because I heard someone coming up behind me, and so I just stopped. Guys, it's always so awkward being a YouTuber, because when you realize that there are like people behind you, or when there are like people around you, it's awkward. Guys, give me some love in the comments. Give me a like for being awkward. And awkward, it's just awkward, making videos, because people look at you holding a camera and they think like, what's this guy doing? What's he talking about? It's not very common to see people walking around making videos, right? I rarely see that. I've maybe seen a few other YouTubers in my life who are making videos, and I always stay out of their videos. I stay out of their way because I know how awkward it is when people come into your videos. So guys, if someone comes into my video, I'll just take a snow break and just show you a shot of this beautiful glistening snow. Wow, isn't that beautiful? Anyway, guys, so always remember just to be friendly when you're duking it out with people. Don't get violent with people. Be kind and loving and forgiving. There's my message for today. All right, so guys, as always, thank you for joining me on this little walk here in the beautiful northeast area of Calgary, Alberta, and a beautiful big sun there. And I hope you guys are staying healthy and happy. It's toward the end of winter. Actually, spring has kind of begun here, so happy spring. As always, I love you so much. Hope you're doing well. Let me know down in the comments if you're doing great. And well, that's it, guys. As always, I'll see you over in the next episode of Mad English TV. Take care.